Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. Welcome to day 23 of our Advent box unboxing from Snazzi Scrappin. This one is really firm, like a DVD box. Let's have a look. Darkroom door. Darkroom door unfortunately closed down after one of the owners passed away this year, so it's actually really special to be getting this. They are rubber stamps, red rubber stamps, and I think it looks like it's all one stamp, but you can go in there and cut them up. But they're beautiful sentiments in there. Really, really nice. That one's a special one. Join me tomorrow for day 24. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.